Have you ever stood under the vast, seemingly endless Texas sun, feeling its intense heat beat down on you? And in that moment, have you ever truly wondered what it takes, what incredible feats of engineering and human effort are required to build something so massive, so transformative, that it reshapes the very landscape itself? What vision, what resources, what sheer determination goes into projects of this scale? I'm talking about megaprojects, the kind of undertakings that redefine what's possible. Think of high-speed rail lines, stretching across hundreds of miles, connecting major metropolitan areas and shrinking distances like never before. Consider sprawling solar farms, blanketing the landscape with panels that capture the sun's energy and power, entire cities with clean, renewable electricity. Or picture city-sized industrial complexes, hubs of innovation and manufacturing that drive the economy and create countless opportunities. These are not just buildings, they are ecosystems. These are the kinds of projects that embody the boldest side of the American spirit, the unwavering belief that anything is achievable with enough ingenuity and hard work. These aren't your granddad's construction sites with simple tools and manual labor. They're revolutions in engineering, technology, and ambition, where cutting-edge innovations are deployed every single day. They are rewriting the rules of what's possible in the world of construction and development, pushing the boundaries of human achievement. In Texas, a megaproject means billion-dollar ventures, massive investments that reshape communities. These are projects that take years, sometimes even decades to build, and their impact is felt by millions of people across the state and beyond. Think of the ambitious Texas high-speed rail project. This will connect Dallas and Houston in under 90 minutes, transforming travel and commerce between these two major hubs. Or consider the development of LNG terminals. These are turning Texas into a global energy powerhouse, exporting resources and fueling economies around the world. These projects create not just structures, but also thousands of high-paying jobs, providing opportunities for skilled workers and boosting local economies. They turn quiet, unassuming small towns into bustling boom towns, attracting new residents and driving unprecedented growth. And they prove, time and again, that if you can dream it in Texas, with its can-do attitude and vast resources, you can build it, no matter how audacious the vision. This is more than just construction. It's about building a future. It's the birth of a new era, a golden age of innovation and progress for the Lone Star State, solidifying its place on the world stage. Building in Texas is not for the faint of heart. Crews battle brutal heat, flash floods, and dust storms, moving materials across a state bigger than many countries. Every day is a test of endurance and logistics, where a single delay can cost millions. But the industry is fighting back with innovation. Drones map sites in 3D, GPS-guided machines grade land with pinpoint accuracy, and digital twins let teams simulate and optimize every step. New materials, stronger, greener concrete, prefabricated components, are revolutionizing how things get built. These advances make construction safer, faster, and more sustainable. The toughest jobs inspire the brightest ideas, and Texas is leading the way. Here, technology and grit combine to turn impossible challenges into reality. This is the Megaproject Revolution in action. To truly understand the scale and complexity of Texas megaprojects, you can't just look at blueprints or read reports. You have to step onto the site itself, feel the ground beneath your feet, where meticulously crafted blueprints meet the reality of mud, the sting of sweat, and the unyielding strength of steel. It's a place where planning meets execution and where abstract designs become tangible realities. Every worker, from the seasoned superintendent overseeing the entire operation to the greenest rookie just starting their career, plays a vital role in a high-stakes, high-pressure environment where deadlines loom and precision is paramount. The success of these massive undertakings hinges on the collective effort of every individual. Shifts run around the clock, ensuring constant progress through searing summers that test the limits of endurance and freezing winters that demand unwavering resolve, with safety always top of mind, because nothing is more important than the well-being of the men and women on the ground. But it's not just backbreaking hard labor, it's a display of incredible skill and artistry, honed over years of experience. Crane operators guiding massive steel beams with pinpoint precision, orchestrating a ballet of heavy machinery, iron workers balancing with unwavering confidence on narrow girders high above the ground, defying gravity with every step, and engineers solving complex problems on the fly, adapting to unforeseen challenges with ingenuity and expertise. Pride runs deep in every nail hammered and every beam secured. These builders can proudly point to a bridge that spans a vast river, a towering wind turbine harnessing the power of nature, a state-of-the-art factory humming with activity, and say with conviction, "I built that." The shared experience of overcoming obstacles, the camaraderie forged in the face of shared hardship, creates a unique and unbreakable bond. They're not just building physical structures. They're building lasting legacies, tangible testaments to their skill and dedication that will stand tall for generations to come. For them, the ultimate reward is the profound satisfaction of knowing that their hard work and unwavering commitment are shaping the very future of Texas, leaving an indelible mark on the landscape for years to come. The modern Texas toolbox is digital, connected, and smarter than ever. Building Information Modeling, BIM, lets teams walk through projects virtually, spotting problems before they happen. GPS-guided earth movers and drones bring precision and speed, while augmented reality glasses overlay plans onto real-world spaces, eliminating guesswork. Wearable tech keeps workers safe, monitoring health and alerting them to hazards. Materials are evolving too. Green concrete and mass timber are cutting carbon and boosting sustainability. These aren't just upgrades, they're game changers, making megaprojects safer, faster, and greener. Texas is building the future, one smart innovation at a time. Texas Megaprojects. They're more than just concrete and steel. They're ambitious undertakings that reshape the landscape and redefine possibilities. But beyond the blueprints and heavy machinery, what's the real story? It lives in the people who build them. The individuals who pour their skills, dedication, and passion into every beam, every road, every structure. Meet Maria, a civil engineer, a problem solver, and a visionary. She compares her highway project to open-heart surgery on a city, a complex and delicate operation that keeps the lifeblood of the community flowing. Every day brings new challenges, new obstacles, and new opportunities for innovation, solving new puzzles every day with her team. Then there's David, a veteran ironworker, a craftsman with years of experience under his belt. He sees his work as more than just a job. It's a legacy, a signature on the skyline, a testament to his skill and dedication. His work is built on trust and family-like bonds, forged in the heat of the construction site, where teamwork is paramount. And we can't forget Chloe, a young apprentice, eager to learn and make her mark on the world. She's learning the ropes, mastering the tools of the trade, and gaining invaluable experience as she learns to operate heavy equipment in simulators. With each new skill, she's gaining skills and confidence for a lifelong career, building a foundation for her future. These voices reveal the pride, challenge, and camaraderie that define the construction industry. They're the human element behind the concrete and steel, the driving force behind progress. They're not just workers, they're skilled professionals, dedicated individuals, and vital members of our community. They're builders of their own futures and the state's, shaping the landscape and creating opportunities for generations to come. Their stories remind us that behind every towering structure and sprawling highway, there are real people with real dreams. The most important part of any mega project isn't the technology. It's not the cranes or the computers or the cutting-edge equipment. It's the people, the human element that brings these projects to life. Every weld, every beam, every decision is a testament to their skill, their dedication, and their commitment to excellence. Each project carries a legacy, a lasting impact on the community and the state. Texas's future is being built by hands, skilled hands that shape the landscape and create opportunities. It's being built by hearts, filled with passion, dedication, and a commitment to excellence. And it's being built by minds, innovative minds, that solve complex problems and push the boundaries of what's possible. That's the true foundation of every mega project. The people who build them, brick by brick, dream by dream. Let's spotlight 3 Texas mega projects shaping tomorrow. The Texas high-speed rail will connect Houston and Dallas in under 90 minutes, using elevated tracks to minimize impact and maximize speed. The Samson Solar Energy Center in West Texas will be one of the nation's largest, with battery storage to keep the grid reliable even after sunset. On the Gulf Coast, the Golden Pass LNG terminal is a marvel of engineering, liquefying natural gas for export with advanced efficiency and environmental controls. These projects, transportation, renewable energy, and global trade, show Texas's ambition and diversity. Each is a world-class feat, driving economic growth and innovation. They're not just projects, they're engines of change. This is the new Texas, building for a future the world is watching. Mega projects don't just change skylines, they transform communities. Small towns near these sites see packed diners, booming businesses, and new opportunities. But growth brings challenges, traffic, noise, and strain on local resources. The best projects engage with their neighbors, holding town halls, investing in schools, and upgrading infrastructure. It's about building trust and leaving a positive legacy, not just meeting legal requirements. Sustainability means more than green materials. It's about lasting value for Texas' cleaner energy, better infrastructure, and real economic growth. These projects are shared investments in the future. The true legacy is a stronger, more connected Texas for generations to come. Imagine Texas in 2035. High-speed trains linking cities, a resilient power grid fueled by sun and wind, and highways that keep goods and people moving. The landscape will be transformed. Smart buildings, wind turbines, and solar farms dotting the plains, and cleaner, more efficient ports on the Gulf Coast. These projects will create a more connected, prosperous, and sustainable state. The real change will be in our mindset, proving we can tackle the biggest challenges and inspiring the next generation to dream even bigger. The legacy isn't just in steel and concrete, but in the belief that no challenge is too big for Texas. The future is being built now, one bold project at a time. What will the next great Texas megaproject be? As these megaprojects near completion, the next wave is already on the horizon. 3D printing could soon build entire structures, slashing time, waste, and cost. AI and robotics will transform job sites. Autonomous vehicles, robotic arms, and smart tools making construction faster and safer. Workers will become high-tech operators, managing fleets of machines and focusing on quality and innovation. Sustainability will go further, with buildings designed for disassembly, recycling, and even carbon capture. The story of Texas megaprojects is about more than construction. It's about vision, grit, and the relentless drive to build a better future. Next time you pass a construction site, see the future taking shape. Texas is building tomorrow today, with skill, ambition, and unstoppable spirit.